Hey, if you want to connect JBL Flip 7 into your TV, then first of all, you will have to turn on this speaker by clicking on that power key at the top. And when the indicator lights up, you will have to click on the Bluetooth button once to activate pairing mode. If it is not working, you are probably connected with your device. So instead of clicking once, you will have to click and hold it and wait until it starts blinking, just like in my case. And now on your TV, all you have to do is just to grab your remote controller and search for the settings of sound. So in my case, it looks like that I have to go to the sound settings, go into the additional settings. And right now I have to search for the Bluetooth, go for the list. And from available devices list that is located right here, I have to just select my JBL Flip 7. So click on it with the remote controller. And now, as you can see, we are successfully connected.